Good morning, students. The next topic we are going to see is about rolling friction. Okay, already we have seen with the types of friction such as static friction and kinetic friction. So, what is a static friction? Which is not moving. Okay, so kinetic friction, which is moving. Now we are going to see with the next term, which is rolling friction. So, whenever you consider with this word rolling, so rolling means what? We'll be considering with some wheels. Okay, so with the help of the wheels, if any object is moving, that comes under this rolling friction. Okay, so the invention of the wheels plays a crucial role in the human civilization. So in this type of wheels is very important. The next is one of the important application is mainly nowadays we are using with a suitcase with a rolling, is it not? So that we'll be feeling it easier. So the rolling wheels makes it easier than carrying the luggage. So rather than carrying, what we are doing is we are just rolling the wheels. Okay, so this is one of the application of this rolling friction. Okay, then next, when an object moves on the surface, it is essentially sliding on it. So consider this surface. Over this surface, if any object is moving, we just say that it is sliding. So அது வந்து slide ஆகுது அப்படின்றது மட்டும் தான் சொல்லுவோம். Suppose, but the wheels move on the surface through rolling motion. So இதுவே இந்த ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து என்ன பண்றோம்னா it is considering that it consists of wheels. So wheels ஓட சேர்த்து மூவ் ஆகும்போது அது என்ன ஆகுது, that is rolling. So அது ஃபுல்லாவே என்ன ஆகுது, roll ஆகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Okay, so this is about the rolling friction. Okay, next we have the diagram for this. Here is a diagram. So as I've told you, this object when it is moving, we are saying that just it is sliding. So ana idu ipdi move ஆகும்போது along with the wheels, since it is moving, it is said that it is rolling on it. Okay, then so next is we have the methods to reduce the friction. So first one is, so this is the surface. These two surfaces are in contact, but it is without the oil. So without the oil, if any object is there and it not be of greater moving. Okay, next is, if suppose that place is filled with oil, then we can say that it has the lesser friction. So இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் நடுவில் என்ன ஆகும், it friction, there is a friction, is not? Suppose when you are placing with the oil, it reduces with the friction. Okay, so this is a first method to reduce with the friction. Yes, so next is, to reduce this kinetic friction, lubricants are used. Yes. Then second thing is we are going to use with the ball bearings. Okay, so ball bearings provide another effective way to reduce the kinetic friction. If ball bearings are fixed between the two surfaces, so consider that we are going to consider with the two surfaces. Between these two surface, you are going to place with ball bearings. So if you are placing a ball bearings, what happens? During relative motion, only the rolling friction comes into effect and not the kinetic friction. So என்ன ஆகும், இந்த ball bearing மட்டும் என்ன ஆகும், roll ஆகும். So during the relative motion, only the rolling friction comes into effect. So இது மூவ் ஆகும்போது என்ன ஆகும், இது வெறும் என்ன ஆகும், இந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் ரோல் மட்டும் தான் ஆகும் and not the kinetic friction. Kinetic friction னா இந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் மூவ் ஆகாது. Okay, so this is a use of ball bearings. Okay, which is used to reduce the rolling friction. Okay, so it is used to reduce the friction. So here we have the diagram. So this is an object and this object is placed with a ball bearings. So with the use of ball bearings, what happens, that reduces the friction between these two friction between these two objects, this and this. So between this friction can be reduced with the help of this ball bearings. Okay.